Coming up to 5 o'clock here in London, so let's have a look at the different move in the market today. So the main theme in the market was the relief rally, following the fact that North Korea didn't launch a missile over the weekend. So last week the market was positioning itself, expected a new missile test over the weekend from North Korea. It didn't materialize over the weekend, so then a bit of a relief rally. As you can see here, on this chart here is the DAX, and this one here on the right is the S&P, gapped higher this morning in the DAX, and then still pushing to the upside since the open, still making new highs as I'm speaking. And then on the right, this one, let me make this one a bit bigger, S&P, still making new highs as I'm speaking, and we also managed to take the high of the 1st of September. This high here managed to break above this level, so that also helped to support the price of the equity with stops being triggered. And that was actually the day before we had the gap lower when we actually had a test, missile test from North Korea. So the opposite situation happened over the weekend. So equity market pushing to the upside. So risk on scenario, equities, which are risky asset pushing to the upside, and then safe haven. So gold, let me just make the gold chart a bit bigger. Gold gap lower this morning, and then this chart here on the right is the T-notes chart, so 10-year government bond from the US, gap lower as well, and both safe haven here trending are really close to the low of the sessions. T-notes still making euros as I'm speaking as well. Other main product that moved today is the oil. So as you're aware, we had the Hurricane Irma that hit the Florida coast over the weekend, and this is what happened. Same thing happened when we had the Hurricane Harvey. So a few days before the hurricane actually hit the coast, you had gasoline rising and then oil dropping, because the refineries in this area of the United States produce gasoline, but they need as an input to produce the gasoline, the crude oil. So because they shut down, no more demand in crude oil, then the price of oil goes down. But then now the hurricane situation is kind of over, hence the positive move that we've seen since this afternoon in the price of oil. So yeah, that's the main move of the day. If we have a look at the different data for tomorrow, so tomorrow, as we covered in the briefing this morning, it's quite a busy day. 9:30 you have some UK data, so you have the inflation and core inflation, and these data are likely to move the market. And then in the afternoon you also have some data from the US. 2:45 you have Victor Constancio, so ECB board member, is scheduled to speak. And then because tomorrow is Tuesday, 9:30 you have the usual API crude oil inventories. So yeah, that's it for the day. So risk on, equities pushing to the upside, T-notes, gold, safe haven in general pushing to the downside, following the fact that North Korea didn't try a new missile test over the weekend. Okay guys, I hope you all had a good day. Enjoy your evening, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.